Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to upgrade your Mixo subscription plan. So, let us begin. Step number 1. Go to Mixo's official website. Step number 2. Navigate to the pricing page on the upper side of the website. You will see a menu. Click on Pricing. Step number 3. Choose your plan. Mixo offers 3 different subscription plans to suit your needs. The basic site plan costs $9 per month and is perfect for startups and those looking to get their feet wet. The growth site plan at $19 per month provides more features and is great for small to medium-sized businesses. For the ultimate experience, the premium site plan priced at $39 per month offers the most extensive features and tools to supercharge your website. If you are in for the long haul, consider opting for the yearly plans. They come with a 20% discount, saving you money in the long run. Once you have chosen your plan, click on Start 7-Day Free Trial. This is where Mixo shines. You get to test the platform for a full week without any cost. If during these 7 days you find that Mixo isn't the right fit for you, no worries. You can cancel your subscription and your money will be refunded. Fill in your information. To complete the subscription process, you will need to provide some billing and personal information. Click subscribe. Once you have filled out the necessary information, click on the subscribe button. And just like that, you are subscribed to your chosen Mixo plan, ready to elevate your website. If you found this video helpful and want more informative content like this, please make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated. We hope this guide has made the process of upgrading your Mixo subscription plan a breeze. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video.